how to appear offline on Messenger even when you're online. So if you want to appear offline on Messenger, then first you can open up your Messenger application. And here, if you want to appear offline, then you have to turn off your active status. So you can simply go for the upper left corner, which has that three bar icon, and go for settings, which is on the upper right, and then simply go for active status. And after opening your active status, now you have to turn off your active status. And after turning that on, and here you will get this option, like if you want to pause your active status, then you can go for 1 hour, 8 hours, or until 8, or you can choose that custom. But if you don't want to change your active status, like if you don't want to automatically turn on your active status, then you can choose the first option and then pause. So you won't see when your friends and connections are active or have recently been active on this profile. So to make sure that they can't see this info about you, turn the setting off wherever you're using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. So if you are using your Facebook or Messenger on many devices, then only on this device, in which device you have turned off the active status, and that device only you will be appeared offline. But if you have used your Facebook on other devices, and if that device active status is turned on, then it will show active. So if you are using multiple devices, then simply go and turn off your active status on all of those mobiles, and you can easily use Facebook or Messenger without letting the other person know that you're active. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.